be friendly say chiri abosonda se Kufuado. Na mi okoto de me friendly say the Champions League. Yeah. Yanka bi se mu ye. Niati ane say chiri abosom. Orema President Kufuado warning. Ose. President Kufuado, I'm telling you today, giving you the warning. Open to the chat. If you don't open to the chat, go to the angry, to the coming, to the Ghanaians. Others to the dying. Others to the dying. If you don't to the listening to the God, do what they like. Yeah! Akubadu, why? You don't respect God. You don't respect God. If you don't open to the chat, you will see. And no to the Abosom, also Mecca, Sister don't bend now, my Patakundi come. Orema, President Kufarna, what you have say often we are sorry done. Also, food to the Abosom sang the car to say. Young company Yachabi says, President Kufarna, we are sorry done. Hey, yo, we are Ubena. Wasn't Patu, we are Babesi or Ghana. Kufuado be with you, Funtum with where cyber catching. And till anybody we are on command and I want to know go be sorry dagno. Now one year sorry.
Nana Kufuado, any MPP abaye. Sekusia de be. Ana kusia de di eni mu na otie. Mo mi asoro dan amu bi akwa soro ya. Nyame to wechi ma ibi sigana. You be surprised.
President ya semrose ya fani ya hanko ampreka sema kromo. Se wuta o de criminal tutorials ya won we nam bia yo yare yi ko ye lisi den ena me man sore kwa ya sore ye President Kufuado candidate to say until say odongo bi krampo ri mi abe na kanto me se wa kwase sa won chenchen krampo di akoya nkwan adi enu nti wasanye de na wachi abie sa ya peso.
Tonight I've come into your homes to announce that the ban on public gatherings is set out Executive Instrument number 64 has been extended also to the end of the month, i.e. 31st May.
Mopa, mon soma kumum din. Na mon challenge the makeup. Na mo fedi bisi. Oh my.
Ghana for being many bisase. So, as for being no my death rate. Ana as President Kufuado nenti nyame asebana. Yay! Our minimum be missing movie me, yeah? I saw from where coordinate your bananas and your coupon and the with your wazy. Hey! Never the president won the president to say, oh, Massa Becker the case.